Hello, my name is Mary Williams, and for my Scaled Up project, I chose to use my father's urn. This is significant to me because I was the closest to my father of all 5 siblings. I actually got most of the ashes because of that relationship that we had. So I first started with drawing the scaled up actual size of the urn, which was 8.8 inches in width and 6 inches in length. I had to measure and draw the cube shape of the urn. And then I did the scale down and reduction, which I cut it in half. And I did the same thing. I measured the cube half of what the actual size is, which will be the width at 4.4 and the length at 3, since it was 8.8 and 6 inches in length and width. The description of the steps I used to process it, well, I had to first measure the urn itself on all sides to make sure that they were equal. And then I drew the cube in the actual size of what the urn was. And then I scaled down and I had to measure half of that with the ruler that I had. The calculations explanation, I kind of got confused at first with using the ruler. I hadn't used it in so long. So that was one of my challenges as far as doing the project, was to measure and to actually do the cube. The cube was very hard to try to draw with the ruler. What I would have done differently was I wish I had more materials, and I wish I was a little bit more creative with the project. I used cardboard, carbon paper, which I bought a ruler and tape, all the materials I didn't have at home. So I had to wait for them to come in, and I makeshift my project, and I did measure and cut the cardboard and the cardstock paper and the tape, and then I just printed the inscription on the front for my father on the front of mine, and that was my Scaled Up project.